Hi guys, a warm welcome to each and everyone to my channel. Today I am here for sharing the top 5 job notifications which is published recently, that is 29th August 2020, and that is going for the upcoming week as well as the upcoming months, and these vacancies is also covering up a lots of job holders, job seekers. These are from BTech background, either the candidates from the graduate in any disciplines or those the candidates who have completed their 12th exam. So today I am here for sharing the 5 best job notifications, and that is also valuable for your career also. If you newcomer in my channel, then subscribe Udita's Classroom. Keep connected with my channel. Check my playlist. You can find out the job notifications, either that is government or private job, and sometimes online money earning strategies like freelancing and home based work opportunities, and also engineering tutorial. And I have already uploaded some microcontroller related videos, and now the series is going on related microprocessor 8085, and sometimes you can get some discussions by tips and tricks how to crack exam videos. So if you are interested, then click my channel, click the subscription box and click all. When I will put any type of videos, you will be notified at that time. So now let's start the video and talk about the job notification. So under the UPSC, the Chennai Metro Rail Limited has released the job notification for five different branches, and where you can get a lots of vacancies. So the first post is general manager, where the salary structure is mentioned, that is 1,50,000 to 1,90,000, where 50 years maximum candidate can apply. Those candidates who have 23 years experience are preferable here. Now come here the additional general manager salary structure is 1,20,000, and where 47 years maximum candidate can apply with the 15 years of experience. According to the same, that is deputy general manager salary structure 90,000, where 40 years maximum age is mentioned here, with 13 years experience can apply for this job. Now come here the next fourth post, that is estate officer, where the salary structure is 80,000 per month, and where maximum 38 years old candidate applicable here, but preferable those candidates who have 7 years experience. And in case of assistant manager finance or accountancy, where the 40,000 to 80,000 per month, that is salary structure is mentioned here, where 30 years old maximum age limit is 38 years, where 2 or 4 or 7 years experience candidates are applicable here and must be preferable here. And see the website link, where you can find out the detail of this advertisement, and where you can go and apply for this particular job positions. Okay, next is CSRI, that is Indian Institute of Toxicology Research. You can find out the link where go and apply, and where you can also download the total job notifications. I am here for describing in brief that first one, the post is technical assistant, where the total number of vacancies is 31, and the pay scale is mentioned here as 35,400 up to 1,12,400, where minimum 28 years old candidate, where the maximum 28 years old candidate can apply for this job. And in case of eligibility criteria and going to the trade, you can find that biological science, chemical and statistics, librarian science, and also civil and electrical degree holder, ITI or engineering candidates can apply for this job. But one thing is that they must acquire 60% marks in their graduate final exam, and also UGC recognized university, they have to pass out their graduations. And in case of ITI or engineering degree holder candidate, they must have first class and 3 years full diploma degree with 60% aggregate. Now come here, technical officer, where rupees 63,924 up to 2,50,000. More than 2,50,000 is mentioned here as a salary structure, where maximum 30 years old candidate can apply for this job. Also, only civil and electrical degree holder, that is BTech degree holder candidate, and library science candidate can applicable for year, and in 4 years full BTech degree with 55% aggregate can apply for this job. And go that link where you can apply, and the application starting date from 2nd September 2020 from 11 a.m. that is going on up to 5th October 2020 on or before 5 p.m. Now come here, the Central Silk Board has released the job notification for the post of Deputy Director, and that is for the admin and accountant department, and that is also group A level 11, and according to the level and group the pay scale is mentioned here, that 67,700 up to 2,80,700. And apply this link, and you can go and check also the total detailed job notifications and also apply for this link. And in case of applications, the last date here mentioned that the 60 days from the notice has been published, that means 60 days from 29th August 2020. And now come here, the eligibility criteria, where the actually graduates commerce background with 60% marks, and the candidate should be completed their graduations under UGC recognized university, and also MBA, BBA, commerce, and also with HR experience candidate are also applicable here, and experienced candidates must be preferable here. Coming to the next point, that is Division of Agricultural Chemicals, where online interview session is going on, and you can go and check this link where you can apply and also find out the total job notifications. And now come here the posts in case of Senior Research Fellow, that is SRF. The pay scale must be 31,000 per month, where the some allowance is mentioned here, and also the masters in chemistry or agriculture and a net qualified or equivalent PhD holder in these disciplines may apply for this interview, and where the age limited here 35 years old candidate can apply for this job. Now come here the second post for the assistant, that is the lab assistant, where only minimum 12th pass candidate can applicable for year, and in this particular post the pay scale is 10,000 per month. So go and check this link where you can find out the total job notifications, as well as you can apply for the online interview session. And now the last one, which is the big one, it may say, that Defense Research and Development Organization, that means from the DRDO, where some number of research fellowship posts is published, and they are for the 5 trades the research fellowship posts has been published here, and where you can find out the number 1, that is research associate, where maximum 35 years old candidate can apply for this job, and the PhD holder or equivalent degree holder candidate are preferable here, and with 3 years of research candidate also applicable here. Teacher or teaching experience or designing and development experience in thermoelectric material trade, or MSc in physics or chemistry, or MEM Tech in material science or material engineering can applicable for this particular post. And now come here the Junior Research Fellowship, that is JRF, in different trade for chemistry, physics or material science, electronics and computer, and where you can see that all the JRFs post the maximum age limit is 28 years, and where according to these posts and this trade, here also the eligibility or qualifications depending upon that trade, like JRF Chemistry, where MSc in Chemistry or postgraduate or ME MTech in Chemical Engineering can applicable here, and also BE or BTech degree holder, but they have must their first division and also get qualifications to applicable for this particular post. And in all cases, that is JRF Physics, where the trade is Physics, JRF Electronics, where the trade is EIE, CE, Electrical, or BE, BTech or ME, MTech in this trade also first division or gate qualifications can applicable for these posts. And JRF for computer, where the trade is computer engineering, and also BCA, MCA degree holder candidate can applicable for this job. Now this is the actual website link where you have to upload your online applications, that is director@dl.drdo.in, and if you go to this link, you can find out the total job notifications, where also the application format is also prescribed. According to that prescribed application format, you have to fill up your application form and upload this link. Either you can upload this link or you can send your application to our address, which I will mention in my description box. So you have to check my description box. So I think guys, this video is quite helpful to each and everyone who are eagerly awaiting for these government job notifications, and there you can get a huge number of vacancies, and that is from the renowned and renamed organizations that publish the job notifications, and you can grab and this opportunity to enrich your career. So this is for today. Hope you like these videos, and if you like, then like, share and comment in my comment section what type of content do you want and what type of job notifications do you want. I will come with the another next job notifications videos to the next Sunday. So till then, thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.